ಹೇ ಹಾಯ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸುಮನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ AV RECEIVER. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಯಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದು, ಲೈಕ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 100, like small speakers to very large speaker. We have everything stock. Like recently we got a new stock of mixer there. That is what the mixers everything. So from 30 from 6 channels to 32 channel, the complete mixer actually with DSP. So we have actually stock complete speaker restoration parts, like active subwoofer, passive subwoofer, which is used in a DJ and pub, bar, resto bar, gym and all. We have PA amplifiers, speakers from 6 inches to 21 inches, 18 inches, everything we have. Neodymium magnet with a neodymium magnet and ferrite coating, and speaker parts like cone, restoration cone, and coil, voice coil, spider, everything we have. So I will show the one by one as possible. So this is first what I am said. So this is what the PA amplifier. So ATI Pro make PA amplifier, which we can use it for a normal general purpose access, like addressing thing, and usually I use in a gym, pub, resto bar thing and all. Based on the requirement we can give options. So this is what the active, like a crossover thing. This is a crossover passive thing, like a crossover for the speaker. So 1 in 2 out, LF1, LF2 and HF thing. So and here also we have a lot of like a parts, like a speaker connectors, XLR connectors, restoration parts. And this is what the recently launched crystal tone related option, like a crystal tone model of the speaker, professional speaker, loudspeaker, 15 inches. This is a 12 inches. So everything we have complete components related to DJ equipments and resto bar audio related, gym audio related, everything we have. And another acoustic related speakers also we have. And this is what the acoustic related speakers, which is used in the gym speakers, resto bar and all. So recently launched models of the ATI Pro thing and all. We have everything, empty boxes for a subwoofer. This is what the empty boxes for 18 inches and all. So from the Pope make. So everything we have, friends. If anyone requires any components means any parts for a speaker restoration and new speakers, for the DJ related thing, everything we have. So kindly do contact Dr.AV RECEIVER. This is what the speaker restoration parts and all. So rubber related thing, this is not a local. And this is a Kevlar cone related thing, Kevlar cone design. So everything we have, friends. If anyone requires any restoration parts for the speaker, so kindly do contact Dr.AV RECEIVER, which located in Yalahanka, Chikkabomasandra. Thank you and all. This is my stock area of ATI Pro, Yogi Pro, everything, audio flex, many components and all, like a speaker parts and all, new amplifiers and all. So do contact for a more like a better prices and all. Thank you and all. Bye bye.